う死んでいる。
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Trevor Plays here, back again with a new live reaction. We are here with chapter 362 of My Hero Academia, Light Fades to Rain. So, we are continuing off here. This is the end of My Hero catch-up week, which really leads up to the latest chapter at the current time of recording. So, of course, whenever this comes out, the new chapter will be out. So then, yeah, that new chapter will be out sometime next week, as well as the next two chapters of One Piece because of this whole My Hero Academia catch-up week. So yeah, my One Piece review for the new chapter won't come out until sometime next week, most likely next Monday, or not Monday. Well, yeah, Monday. So the next day after this video goes out, the previous one, and then the one after that comes out at the same time. The new My Hero one comes out. Okay, whatever. Too much talking. Let's get into the story. Picking up right back off with Sun Eater. If I fail now, everyone in this coffin is utterly doomed. He's thinking back. Fat Gum. Stand tall and proud, Tamaki. And then you see Kirishima and Tetsu taking care of biz as usual, dude. And then flashback to Mirio. I know for a fact that you've got some real special talent. That blinding, bright and shining praise, like treasures, from them to me. Up to now, I could never fully accept it. I was crushed under the weight of that wealth. It just felt easier to be down on myself. Thank you, everyone. And it's just like a giant cannon that he's about to shoot off at Shigaraki. Because now, that crushing weight, sneaky little pest, vast, hybrid, plasma cannon. Makes me, because now, that crushing weight makes me stronger. Get wrecked! That is funny. That's that's a great line from it. And then just a bunch of stuff. It's like, you just don't get it. And then Mirio comes out of nowhere, obviously, because that's what he does, and punches Shigaraki in the face. And then we get to see the big color page spread, or not color page spread, but like a big double page spread here, where you see the top of, like, the outside town. The dust is settling. You see Nejire. How? And they keep coming. Think about it. Remember All Might in his prime? Would something so pathetic have killed him? Come on. Use your heads. And he's glaring. He glares back and sees Bakugo about to walk over to him. And then Bakugo, says Genus, look after the others. He stares. Gotta win. Right, Izuku? Yo! Yo! He didn't say Deku. He didn't say Deku. He said Izuku. Oh my god. Genus, no! You mustn't. Right side. Huh? He saw it coming and dodged it. Quirk. Explosion. The sweat glands on his palms produce a nitroglycerin-like liquid that he can detonate. But the cluster upgrade he devised came with a side effect even he himself wasn't aware of. The act of saving up sweat into launchable beads put a terrible burden on the glands of his palms. With his sights set on victory, he kept storing those beads in the glands until they were forced to find other exits and leak out all over his body. Explosions or exploitations. No, explosions. No, yeah, yeah. All around his body gave him even more speed. My whole body hurts. Battling through the pain, fighting while trying to stop the enemy's ticks and habits. This is basically the path you had to walk, yeah? So, Izuku, can I still catch up to you? And then, how is he pissing me off so much? This random extra who doesn't even possess one for all. And then, there's like a vision. Why am I suddenly panicking? And then, go to hell! And then, Bakugo sees All Might's little flame vestige. Oh, right. So, thinking back to when we finally met, I was pretty much a punk going through some stuff. And now it looks like I've missed my chance to ask. Man, I wanted an autograph so bad. And then we see a picture of like Bakugo's heart getting pierced or exploding. But then we also see Mirio, Nejire, Tamaki, and Mirko show up to attack Shigaraki. We've had clear skies over the Kanto, Chubu, and Kansai regions. But according to the volunteer weather report, a sudden and drastic rise in temperature is disrupting the weather patterns. Looks like rain. You were just tracing the earlier fight. Why do you think you could win? We came prepared for today. With a perfect Demon Lord body, ideal for the final boss. Understand yet? What's coming now is our story, the villain's tale. And then we cut to Bakugo's mom and dad. That kid of ours is no fan of rain. And then Best Genius, his heart. And you see Monoma, Manuel, Mirko, Mirio, and Daizawa looking on. And Bakugo lying on the ground, all bloody, with the All Might card next to him, and a big hole in his chest. Well, yeah, this is this is something. Um, Yeah. Oof. Yeah, this is something. This is a major like character death, if anything, or if it is, you know like yeah, this is a good chapter. This was a really good chapter. um yeah, I don't know where the story is headed, and I kind of see a little bit of when Shigaraki was looking at Bakugo for a second, and he was like, why am I panicking? And when this person doesn't even possess one for all, and it shows like a little static image, and it looks like the third user, the second or third user of one for all. That's what it looks like. It looks like, um, actually, yeah, it's the second user. It looks like the second user, or just like an adult Bakugo or something like that. Either it's an adult Bakugo or it's the second user of one for all, um, and stuff like that. But then, yeah, the whole Bakugo seeing All Might's vestige, um, and everything, and then the whole thing of explaining what his quirk is again, um, and just everything. Like this is something. This is very, 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 like, oof, I don't know, man. This is something. Um, but yeah, whew, I don't know. I feel like somehow maybe, no, I don't want to. I don't want to jinx it, because at this point we're at the point now where it's like, hey, this is an all-out war. It's now or never to actually like fight and kill. Like this is it's life or death at this point. Um, so yeah, if this is it, then oof, damn, he has been through a lot too. He's been through a lot. Um, but yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Um, Now to see if this holds true and stays like this, then that's a big blow for My Hero Academia and My Hero fans. Um, cause there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people that like Bakugo, and like, don't get me wrong, I do too. But my favorite character is Shoto. But Bakugo is not that far behind. Um, I would say he's probably like my third favorite male character. So literally, it's these three right here. These three are my favorite um, male characters, um, from the class. From the class, they're my favorite male characters from the class. My top three favorite male characters from the class. Um, so yeah, it's yeah. This is, oh boy. Um, but yeah, oof. Whenever this gets animated too, oh god. See, that's the thing. Now that like My Hero's getting caught up, and with season 6 on the rise, at the beginning of this part, at the beginning of this war, like, well, not really this war, but the first war, and then yeah, it's oh yeah, oh man, this is something. Oof. I mean, this one hell of a way to end a My Hero catch up stream, not stream, week, with all these videos. Oh boy. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed uh The chapter, I know not many people probably will because of this last panel here. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this live reaction and review. And if you did, of course, hit that thumbs up button. Leave some comments down below. What did you guys think of the chapter? Do you have any thoughts of where this story is going to go now at this point? It was kind of predictable at one point, and then there was just a few little plot twists here and there that changed up the story a bit. Um, but yeah, this is something. This is something. Um, but yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed. If you did, like I said, leave likes, leave comments, and if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe and notification bell whenever. Uh, yeah, so that way you guys know whenever I upload a video. I don't know why I blanked on one of them. Yeah, but yeah, that's it for me, guys, and I'll see you guys